Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and this is how I pre-bake ribs. I got fresh onion, fresh garlic, and then just a barbecue seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, or get your favorite barbecue seasoning. Now you notice my ribs are bottom side up. That's important because when I put them in the baking dish, I also add a little bit of cola and a little bit of water, so that really penetrates the soft meat at the bottom of the dish. Now you can see here I've got my apple juice. That's 100% apple juice. Only use 100% apple juice because you don't want to use any of the fake stuff. That's not going to work well. And then I've got my kettle over here. I haven't even started it up yet, but I got my lump charcoal, and then I will add hickory chips later. You can see the sun went down, and I plugged it in. I got my little electric charcoal lighter. I got my coals going, and now I'm going to go over here and unplug this sucker. Like a boss, unplugged. And now we can see, oh man, that is really flaming. So I've got my cast iron grate insert. Not necessary for ribs, but I use it for everything else. I'm like, man, I might as well leave that in there. You don't want to put the ribs on while it's flaming like that, because you just don't want to do ribs like that. That's good for a steak, searing a pork chop, searing chicken. But with ribs, you want to put that top on. See, I've added the hickory. You can see that hickory smoke coming out, and just let it cool down. Now I'm going to take my ribs out of the oven. I pre-baked them at 250 degrees for about 3 to 3.5 hours, tightly covered with foil. And they're going to be really, really tender, so tender that even though I cut the rack in half, they'll probably start to fall apart. And that's part of the reason, beyond getting the hickory smoke from the grill, you also want to firm them up, because you don't want them so tender that they're going to just fall apart in your hands. I mean, that's okay, but you want a little bit of firmness to it. And you could see when I took them out, they had you could see all that cola that I put in there. I just got some cheap Sam's Choice cola and put in there for the pre-bake. Look at all that hickory smoke, man. Oh man, I got my apple juice. Spritz them periodically with 100% apple juice. That helps with moisture control while they're in your grill, and it also helps with coloration and the flavor profile. Now you did see this is hotter than normally. You know, when I smoke ribs, it's a different process, but since these were pre-baked, that's still pretty hot fire. But I spritz them periodically with 100% apple juice. Keeps the moisture control, and like I said, adds to the flavor. And you're just going to want to keep an eye on them, spritz them every, 10-15 minutes or so. This isn't a long duration smoke like I also do with ribs in my electric smoker. This is a pre-bake and a grill with a little bit of hickory. Now see, now I'm going to sauce them up. Look at this, so you can see the texture. And see, now I'm adding the sauce. That's just a good finishing touch. Give them that good sweet. I've got the smoke, I've got the moisture control from the pre-bake, and then I've got the sweet from the barbecue sauce. Man, these things are delicious. And the raccoons love the bones. After we eat the ribs, the raccoons love to gnaw on those bones. Subscribe and check out all my videos. And there it is. You can see I brought them inside. Look at that. Oh man, that texture and that aroma. It's so good. You need to try this, man. It's so good. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.